Oh, good. Just the way.
That's the way, Led Zeppelin. I don't know how I'm gonna tell you I can play with you no more. Don't know how I'm gonna do what Mama told me, my friend, the girl next door. When I'm out, I see you walking. Why don't your eyes see me? Could it be you found another game to play? What did Mama say to me? I can't believe what people say. You're gonna let your hair hang down. I'm satisfied to sit here working all day long. You're in the darker side of town. That's the way it ought to be. Don't you know now? Mama said that's the way it ought to stay. Yesterday I saw you standing by the river, where those tears that filled your eyes, and all the fish that lie in dirty water dying, and they got you hypnotized. Yesterday I saw you kissing tiny flowers, but all that lives is born to die. And so I say to you that nothing really matters, and all you do is stand and cry. I don't know what to say about it, and all the ears are turned away. But now's the time to look and look again at what you see. Is that the way it ought to stay? That's the way it ought to be. Don't you know now? Mama said that's the way it ought to stay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
5,000. I think for the house. Yeah. For the whole house. Yeah. And 3 acres.
Oh yeah, of course.
3 million here.
Okay.
It's just me.
No, I understand. I'm sorry. I don't really understand, but that's fine.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
this is kind of making me nuts.
Right.
Yes, please. No. Hold it by the bottom of that thing. Yeah.